Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the easy way of learning Quran. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to pray Janaza Salat step by step, inshallah. There are three things as we should remember. First, the body of the deceased person has to be in the front. Second thing, there are no ruku and no sajda. The third thing is there are 4 takbirat. After first takbir, we will read Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. After second takbir, we will read the durood Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad ila akhiri. After third takbir, we will read the dua for deceased person, like Allahumma ghfirli hayyina wa mayyitina, or whatever you know. Then after fourth takbir, we will do Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So this is the theory, and now I'm going to show how to do practically, inshallah. So when you stand up and the body is in the front, and then we raise your hand up to here and say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, and fold your hand. And now read Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka ismuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa jalla thana'uka wa la ilaha ghayruk. When you read this, then don't raise your hand and just say takbir, Allahu Akbar. After second takbir, we will read the durood Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidun majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidun majid. Then we read third takbir saying Allahu Akbar without raising hand. Then after third takbir, we will read the dua Allahumma ghfir li hayyina wa mayyitina wa shahidina wa ghaibina wa saghirina wa kabirina wa dhakarina wa unthana. Allahumma man ahyaytahu minna fa ahyihi ala al-islam wa man tawaffaytahu minna fatawaffahu ala al-iman. After this dua, we will say Allahu Akbar. This is the fourth takbir. After fourth takbir, we will say Assalamu alaikum, right side first and then left side, moving our head. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.